Good morning. Okay, so starting out this vlog like we always do in the car. You probably think all I do is drive, which is kind of true. But anyways, let me fill you in. So I'm by myself right now, but Eric and I are meeting up at a Korean church in like 20 minutes or so. I'm just always early, like really early. I've been here for a little while. Eric and I are meeting at a Korean church this morning that's really close to our wedding venue, because our wedding venue is like an hour and 20 minutes for me and an hour and 40 minutes for him. So neither one of our pastors can make it to do our wedding. So basically we have to find someone else to do it. So there's a couple Korean churches that are really close to our venue that we want to visit and ask their pastors if they would like to do our wedding, I guess. So yeah, we are going to one now. So just sitting here praying that they say yes, because our wedding's not too far away, and we can't get married without somebody to do our wedding. So yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. And yeah, anyways, oh my god, I got really off topic. I'm just in a parking lot of some daycare talking to myself because I'm too scared to go to the Korean church without Eric. Okay, so church, Men's Warehouse, maybe IKEA. We kind of want to go around IKEA. We might do a gift registry there. I'm not sure yet. So let's go.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we're done with church. My boyfriend, my fiance, I mean, is in this car. I'm not really sure what he's doing. He's so weird. We came to IKEA. Okay, let's go.
Spring. Okay, this is not. Wait, what? What am I reading? What language is that?
Oh, what the heck? It's Swedish, because IKEA is Swedish.
So people want to actually.
Let's see if we can both fit in here. Oh yeah, welcome to our bathroom.
Looks really cute. Some people do drink though, I believe.
But I love this bathroom. I like you.
Let's look what's inside. Wow.
Oh wow, they actually have stuff in there.
Cool.
This looks like... This one feels like Japanese style to me. I don't know why, because the wood, I guess. Or maybe it's like a cabin.
When is my longest running?
You have to pay for it first, okay? Imagine eating cereal with this. You know how much cereal you could fit into your mouth at once?
That's my actually regular spoon.
That's your regular spoon. Okay, I did a wardrobe change again. I feel like that's my new trademark, is that I change my clothes all the time. So we went to IKEA and we did a little bit of our gift registry, but it was really super duper packed. So we couldn't like vlog at all. Like it was like really packed. So anyways, now we're going to the mall and what are we doing?
What are we doing here?
we met up today, so we don't like have any specific place to go in this town. We just wander around and we're probably just gonna end up eating again.
Frozen yogurt.
Frozen yogurt. Yeah. Okay. Oh, let's go to Dave & Buster's.
What's Dave & Buster's? Huh? Dave & Buster?
D&B.
David?
Hey.
What's D&B?
What?
What's Dave & Buster? Oh, Dave & Buster. Dang it.
What the heck?
What am I thinking in my head?
I'm like, you're the one who taught me what Dave and Buster's was. I didn't know about it. You're the one that taught me.
I heard Dave and Buster before.
Oh my gosh.
But like, what is it?
Also, it's like low-key starting to rain. Okay, well that makes the sky look really beautiful and blue, but like it's a little bit drizzling right now. Yeah, and I'm really happy about it. It's my cute fiance. He said that we're not going to the big soccer game today.
Liverpool.
Sorry, Liverpool.
Not a big deal.
Not a big deal. Look at it. And Starbucks. Okay, let's do this. How do I like... I can't get it. Can you help me? What? What? It didn't work. Whoa, I put 2 in and got 3. Does this one work? None of them work, babe. Oh wait, this one does. Babe, come here. Okay. Yeah. No.
No.
Babe, you're shooting under it.
I am?
Yeah. Try to shoot something.
Ah.
You see? Okay, so we left the mall. It was really busy too. I don't know why. Like, apparently Sunday is not the day to go to IKEA or the mall. We got a couple things. Wait, let me show you my shoes. They're so cute. They're only $5. Okay. I'm more happy that they're only $5 than the fact that they're really cute. Where are we going, babe?
We're going to Mr. Miyagi.
We're going to a place called Mr. Tokyo that our friends recommended, and ever since they recommended it, he has been like begging to go. So we're finally gonna go. It's like an all-you-can-eat sushi place. I don't eat sushi, so I'm gonna eat a bunch of hibachi, I guess.
I'm gonna make you eat sushi.
I'll try some sushi. I don't mind trying it, but like I don't actually enjoy it. Like I can eat it, but it's not like I enjoy it. But I want to. Can you make that happen? Okay, let's see what all the fuss is about. Let's see if it's amazing. Are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Okay, eat it.
Where should I start?
There it is.
Taking a break.
Taking a break.
It's really good though.
And mine.
Oh my god, I'm ready so much.
Are you full?
I'm so
Look
full.
at you with your...
I love my sushi. I'm so happy they only charge me $8.
Oh, he couldn't finish it, y'all. He had like 9 pieces left. It's okay. He thought he ordered 4 rolls, but he ordered 5.
I know, I panicked.
I could eat like 1 probably, but yeah. Good job, babe.